Good day viewers, my name is Chalna Patel. I'm here with my classmate Emmaus. We'll be talking about qualitative analysis, also known as inference test. The aim of qualitative analysis is to determine the metallic radicals, cations, and the acidic radicals, anions, in a simple compound or mixture. At this point, I'll hand over to my colleague Emmaus to show us how the inference test is carried out.
In inference test, we determine certain cations and anions present in a sample. Now, some of the cations and anions that we determine at secondary level are shown in this book. For the cations, we have ammonium ion, sodium ion, calcium ion, copper ion, iron 2 ion, iron 3 ion, zinc ion, aluminium ion, and lead ion. For the anions, we have chloride ion, iodide ion, sulfide ion, triisocarbonates 4 ion, triisosulfates 4 ion, tetraoxosulfate 6 ion, and triisonitrate. For example, in inference test, we are always given an unknown sample. Our sample could be in solid form like this or in liquid form, and we will always be asked to determine the cations and anions present in such samples using the reagents that I will mention. And what are reagents? Reagents are chemical solutions which react with certain cations and anions to give characteristic reactions. Now, some of these characteristic reactions are evolution of gas, evolution or absorption of heat, formation of precipitate, production or disappearance of color. And some of these reagents are here on the text. We have potassium thiocyanate, lime water, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute triisonitric acid, silver nitrate, dilute sodium hydroxide, and so on and so forth. It is important to know that a sample may be subjected to preliminary tests. Some of these tests include heating the sample, testing the sample with litmus paper, and determining the solubility of the sample in water. Now we may be asked to determine the solubility of our sample in water. We may be asked to put some of the sample into a test tube, then add a measured amount of water. Now this is the solution formed as we've dissolved our sample. Our inference test can be carried out on this solution. Otherwise, we may be asked to filter the solution. Now, how can we filter this solution? We will make use of our filter paper. We will fold it and insert it into a funnel. Now the liquid that pours into the conical flask is known as the filtrate, and the part that remains unfiltered is known as the residue. Our inference test may be carried out on the residue or on the filtrate. Like I earlier said, the cations present in our samples, so also the anions, can be determined using reagents. Now these reagents react to give us characteristic reactions, and some of the characteristic reactions are the evolution of gas, the evolution or absorption of heat, formation of precipitate, production or disappearance of. Now I'll carry out some experiments to demonstrate this. Now this is a reagent, dilute hydrochloric acid. Now if you notice in the test tube, this reaction shows evolution of gas as there is effervescence occurring in the test tube. Again, let me repeat this. Now this is the evolution of gas I said earlier on. Another one can be production or appearance of color. Now this is another reagent. Now you notice the color change or the production of this yellow color. Another one can be disappearance of color. The color that was in the test tube has disappeared. Another one can be production or absorption of heat. Now, this test tube, when I added the reagent, became very hot. That means the reaction was exothermic. Now the test tube feels cool, meaning the reaction is endothermic. Now our table of values for inference test is different from that of titration and is shown here in the book. We have the serial number, the test, the observation, and the inference. Now our class practical will be carried out in a few hours then. So then we'll show you how the values are entered into the table.
Good day again, viewers. As you can see, we started our practicals and we are carrying out our inference test. Now when I'm done, I'm going to show you my results and how I input them into my table. I'm done with my inference test practical and this is my table of values. From the question, we were asked to add 10 centimeter cube to our sample, which is C, and then to filter. We observed that it was partially soluble in water, a white residue and a blue filtrate was observed. Then our inference is that C is a mixture of soluble and insoluble salts. Then to the first portion of our filtrate, we were asked to add sodium hydroxide in drops and in excess. Then we noticed a blue gelatinous precipitate formed when added in drops, and then in excess it was insoluble. Now we were asked to add in drops to find out the color change, and then in excess to find out the solubility of the sample. Now to our residue, we were asked to add dilute hydrochloric acid and shake. Then after shaking, we observed that effervescence occurred, and then a colorless, odorless gas was evolved, which turned lime water milky. The gas is CO2 from the trioxocarbonate 4-or. Thank you for staying with us. Hope to see you next time.